Hello everyone. Today we shall solve exercise 10.1 question number 9. Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 20 meter. Right. Suppose this is square. Suppose this is a square. This means all the sides are same. Right. We know that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. Right. Here is solution. The solution is we know that perimeter of a square perimeter of a square perimeter of a square perimeter of a perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side, 4 into length of one side, length of one side. Right. Therefore you can say that 4 into length of one side for the length of one side is equal to perimeter of a square is equal to perimeter of the square, that is perimeter of the square. Right. It is 4 into length of one side is equal to perimeter of the square, perimeter perimeter of the square right. Therefore we can say that 4 into length of one side is equal to, what is the perimeter of this square? The perimeter of this square is 20 centimeter, is equal to 20 centimeter. Right. Here it is equal to 20 centimeter, that is equal to 20 centimeter. Right. Therefore length of one side, therefore we can say that length of one side, therefore length of one side length of one side length of one side is equal to 20 by 4 20 by 4 it is not centimeter but it is meter, whose perimeter is 20 meter. It is not centimeter but it is meter. Right. Therefore 20 by 4 meter, and that is equal to 4 5 25 meter. Once again we are repeating. Here you see, find the side of the square whose perimeter is 20 meter. We know that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side, or you can write 4 into length of one side equal to perimeter of the square, and perimeter of the square is given is 20 meter, therefore it is 20 meter. Therefore length of one side equal to 20 divided by 4, that is 5 meter. Therefore length of the square, length of the side of the square is 5 meter, right?